Hello again. This time we're going to look directly at Sage. Just to go a bit further and explain it to you, this obviously was the way we left our nominal ledger, company nominal ledger. Now, to show you the benefits of this to an agency or a landlord, at the end of each month we can actually look at our profit and loss without worrying about seeking an accounting or getting a bookkeeper to tally up everything at the end of the month. So I'll just give you an insight into this. So we go to company financials, and if we run, say for instance, our profit and loss, preview that, and of course it's for November because all our transactions were in November, and we say OK to that. And of course we can see there that the date that was run, the time it was run, and from the 2nd of November to the 3rd of December. So right away we can see that our product sales were £800, which was obviously a rent income from a tenant, and the £100 setup fee. The purchases were to obviously £800 really to the landlord, but in fact we took our £80 net off that for our setup fee. Sorry, for management fee I should say. So that's where that £80 come, which was the 10% management fee to the agency. So all in all, quickly shown, and you know, you could calculate this out yourself. We made £180 gross profit, which in actual fact was net as well because we had no other operating overheads. I'll just let you see that again quickly. And then if we close that, we can now easily run our VAT report for that month. So it was November. Let's go back one first to well, it would be the 1st of the 12th to the 1st of the 12th. And if we say calculate, it's found 2 transactions, and of course the £17.50 was the VAT on the setup fee, which was £100, and the £14 was the VAT on the management charge. So that's how TPM interlinks with Sage to give you all that information readily available to an agency or indeed a landlord at the end of each month. So just to highlight this £31.50, the reason for that is you would have thought it had been £17.50 less 14, but it isn't, because we actually gained as an agency from what was really a sale to the landlord. So the £14 is part of the £94 management fee, so of course it is a minus, which gives us £31.50 we've got to pay to the VAT man.